Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. This is the skull of my alaga. The name of the skull is Hello. Andun na si Mitet. I'm going down to the stairs. Our house is only in the next building. This is their school, but only up to KG2. The light is nice. Very hot outside. This is the name of the building. Alpacamadors. That's the name of the building in their school. Their school is in Misanin. Yes. The next building is our house. Yeah, that's the name of the building of their school. But only up to KG2. This is the building of our house. Asi Salon. Down the building is Asi Salon. There. Side is Kalipa Street in Hamdan. This side is Cornish. Lake Park. After that, the most is Lake Park and then Cornish Beach. The other side. That side. There. The other side is Kalipa Street and then next road is Hamdan Street. This is our house building. See?